Fine, let me go with the 13th problem here. 1/3 a part of certain amount was given to Sita and the rest to Gita. If Gita got 524, what did Sita get? Right, let us check out here. Let the amount be x. Right, Sita gets how much? That is, so 1/3 of x. Sita get how much? That is 1/3 of x. Right, now Gita, how much? 524 she got, but she got, so rest of the amount, that is x, the total amount minus 1/3 of x. Right, now here take LCM here. 3 is the LCM, so 3x minus, right, x. Right, 3x minus x is 2x by 3. Right, so now, so Gita got, so that is what? So 2x by 3 is equal to 524. Right, so Gita got 524, right? So therefore, so x is equal to 524 into 3 by 2. Right, so now simplify it here. 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are, right, 12, 2 2s are, so 262 into 3, 3 2s are 6, right, 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, right, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So total amount they had at the beginning is 786. So now what we are supposed to find? Sita's amount, that is 786. so minus Gita, how much she got? 524. Right, 6 minus 4 is 2, right, 8 minus 2 is 6, 7 minus 5 is 2, so 262. This is Sita's amount, right, this is Gita's amount, right, 262 is the answer. Option A is the right one.